I'm in Matlock today, just about to cross over the Derwent. That's once I've managed to cross the road. If you don't know, Matlock is in Derbyshire. It's on the A6 between Derby and Buxton, just beyond the infamous Matlock Bath. And down here on the right is the River Derwent. Looks like there's some building work or something happening on the opposite side of the bridge. A massive crane there. I don't know what it's doing. Little shabby hen. More about that and the other independent traders in Matlock coming up very soon.